guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be trying out few products from MAC Cosmetics. मैंने पहले MAC के ज़्यादा products try नहीं किए हैं. I only use their Fix Plus, few lipsticks and the strobing cream. उसके अलावा मैंने कोई भी उनकी foundation या color cosmetics use नहीं किए हैं. And recently I purchased a lot of products from MAC Cosmetics from Nykaa and also from US. I got some of the products from US as well. I purchased these products and I shipped these products to one of my friend, and when she traveled she bought all these things with her. So I got few products from Nykaa, few products from US, so I have a lot of products to share with you. So in today's video I'll be trying out all these products. Basically I have foundation, blushes, highlighters and setting spray from MAC which I'll be trying out in today's video for the first time. So if you want to know my first impression on all these products and if you want to know how I created this look, please keep on watching this video. I have already done my eye makeup because I don't have any eye product to try from MAC Cosmetics. So now let's start. And to prime my face I'm using this product. This is MAC Prep Plus Prime Fix Plus. दिस इज़ नॉट न्यू टू मी. मैं इसको काफ़ी बार यूज़ कर चुकी हूँ. आई जनरली यूज़ दिस फिक्स प्लस टू सेट माई मेकअप. मतलब एकदम एंड में मेकअप को सेट करने के लिए मैं इसको यूज़ करती हूँ. बट टुडे सिंस आई डोंट हैव एनी अदर प्राइमर फ्रॉम मैक, आई बी यूजिंग दिस बिकॉज यू कैन एक्चुअली यूज़ दिस फिक्स प्लस टू प्राइम योर फेस एज वेल. दैट्स वाई इट सेज prep and prime. So I'll be using this today. I'll just shake it a bit and then just spray it all over the face. I'm taking this beauty sponge and I'll just press this whatever I've sprayed. I'm just pressing it into my skin. Now for foundation, I'm using this foundation from MAC Cosmetics. It's their Studio Fix Fluid Foundation. I got this foundation recently only. This is the first time I'm trying this foundation. मैंने आपको ये foundation अपने Nykaa haul में दिखाया था some time back, and I got this one in the shade NC37. So it comes in this kind of outer packaging, and you can find all the details on this outer packaging. Everything like price and expiry and all the details, ingredients and everything is mentioned on the outer packaging. This foundation retails for 2,900 rupees and you get 30 ml of product in this. The shelf life of this foundation is approximately 3 years. Now let me show you how it looks from inside. This is how the foundation looks from inside. It comes in this very basic bottle. This is a glass bottle with this black color cap. The only issue I have with the packaging of this foundation is that it doesn't come with any pump. So it is like this, you don't get a pump, but what can you do? So I'll just take some of the foundation on back of my hand. मुझे ना ऐसे देख के फाउंडेशन का जो शेड है वो थोड़ा डार्क लग रहा है somehow, but I have matched myself in MAC store and उसी की वजह से I know that I am this shade in MAC. बट मैंने कभी ऐसे यूज़ नहीं किया है मैक का फाउंडेशन. सो दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. आई हैव टेकन दिस मच ऑफ अमाउंट. आई हैव टेकन लेस ओनली बिकॉज आई डोंट नो कि कितना प्रोडक्ट लगेगा. सो दैट्स वाई आई हैव टेकन लेस ओनली. नाउ आई एम यूजिंग दिस ब्यूटी स्पॉन्ज टू अप्लाई दिस. आई डायरेक्टली अप्लाई यूजिंग द स्पॉन्ज. It has a lot of fragrance. I didn't know that this foundation actually contains fragrance. काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग फ्रेग्रेंस फील हो रही है मुझे. I have used up whatever I took and I don't see it has covered much. Like थोड़ी बहुत coverage दी है but not too much. So let's take more. Anyway, I took very less product last time. I don't think it's a full coverage foundation. I guess it has buildable coverage. So let's see. This time actually I've applied a lot. So I've applied the foundation only on this side of my face, and this is how it looks. It has given good coverage, I would say. Like एक layer जब मैं apply कर रही थी तो उतनी ज़्यादा coverage नहीं मिली थी. But when I applied one more layer, I can see it has given a very good coverage, and most of my marks are covered. I won't say it's a full coverage foundation still, but you can easily build up the coverage with this foundation. Now let's apply on the other side as well. So this is how the foundation looks like on my face. Now, as I already told you, this is not a full coverage foundation. It's like medium to buildable coverage. Also, it's not a matte foundation, and not even dewy as well. It's somewhere in between. So it is not looking very matte on the face. Also, I feel it's a very lightweight foundation. It's not feeling heavy on the face. But I have one issue, that on some areas I feel it's looking little patchy somehow, and I have little bit of dry area on my cheeks right now, and somehow I feel that that this particular area is looking little patchy. So I'll let this foundation sit on my face for some time, because क्या होता है, थोड़े टाइम के बाद जो प्रोडक्ट है वो प्रॉपरली सेटल होता है आपके फेस के बाद, एंड इट स्टार्ट्स लुकिंग बेटर. सो आई गिव इट सम टाइम, और थोड़े टाइम के बाद देखेंगे कि ये कैसा दिखता है. Now I feel that this foundation actually oxidizes. थोड़ा बहुत oxidize होता है ये, और even on my hand I can see that it has oxidized, and face पे भी लग रहा है that it has oxidized a little bit. Like थोड़ा सा orangish लग रहा है, not too bad, but it does oxidize, that I can clearly see. I was actually planning on using this MAC Stroke Cream, and I totally forgot about that. मैंने इसको specially निकाल के रखा था कि I'll use it in today's video, but मैं उसके बारे में totally भूल गई. Anyway, I have already done a detailed review on this MAC Stroke Cream on my channel. I'll link that video for you. By the way, when I bought this Stroke Cream, I bought it some time back, and when I bought it, I bought this for 1000 rupees or something, and I got 30 ml of product in this one. But now MAC has actually increased the price, and अब आपको 15 ml का product इतने price में मिलता है. So I'm just letting you know, and I totally missed to use it. By the way, I don't have any concealer, powder and bronzer from MAC, so I'll be using some other products. So I'll apply all those things off camera and come back. So guys, I'm back. I completed my eye look as well. By the way, if you're interested to know how I created this eye look, I'll be uploading this video on my Instagram. So if you are already not following me on Instagram, please go follow me, because I post different content on Instagram. So if you don't want to miss out on any content which I post on Instagram, please do follow me on Instagram. You can find the link in the description box. Now for blush, I have these two options. Both of these are powder blushes from MAC Cosmetics, and I got these two shades. One is Melba, this one is Melba, and the other one is Mocha. Actually ये दोनों ही shade काफ़ी ज़्यादा famous हैं, especially this shade Melba. It's a very famous shade, and I think I'll use this one only. Let me open and show you. By the way, this is how it comes. It comes in this kind of outer packaging, and you can see all the details on back side. These blushes retails for 2300 rupees on Nykaa, and you get 6 gram of product in this. So this is how it looks from inside. It comes in this black color packaging. So this is the shade Melba. Let me show you the other shade as well. So this is the other shade Mocha. This is how it looks from inside. I'm actually confused which one to use. So we have these two options. I wish you were here to tell me कि कौन सा use करना है. Okay, I'll go with this one, the shade Melba. I'll use this one. So I'm taking it on this blush brush, taking off excess on back of my hand. So this is how this blush looks like. I have applied very less product और बहुत ही easily apply हो गया, बहुत अच्छे से blend हो गया and the pigmentation is also very good. It's not like highly pigmented which is good because अगर आपका blush बहुत ज़्यादा highly pigmented होता है ना तो it can look patchy, but that is not the case with this one. And ये shade भी काफ़ी अच्छा है and it is going perfectly with the eye look. So this is a total matte blush. It doesn't have any kind of glitter or shimmer particles. There is no sheen. It's totally matte blush. I'm actually really liking this color. This is actually a very beautiful blush and it was very easy to build up the color as well with this. बिल्कुल भी patchy नहीं लग रहा है, बहुत ही easy to blend था and the color also is really beautiful. It's like, you know, it can be your everyday color. एकदम न्यूट्रल लुक अगर आपको क्रिएट करना है तो उसके लिए भी आप ये वाला कलर यूज़ कर सकते हो. इवन दिस वन एज वेल, दिस ऑल्सो कैन वर्क एज ए एवरीडे ब्लश. तो ये दोनों ही शेड्स एक्चुअली काफ़ी अच्छे हैं. ये वाला शेड मैं किसी फ्यूचर वीडियो में यूज़ करूँगी, बट करेंटली आई एम रियली हैप्पी with this blush and I'm looking forward to use these even more. और जो पैकेजिंग है वो भी काफ़ी अच्छी है, मतलब काफ़ी बेसिक सी सिंपल सी पैकेजिंग है. There is nothing very, you know, unique or different about the packaging, but actually it's very simple and classy packaging. Now for highlighter, I have actually 3 options. I have these 3 highlighters with me. This one is the most famous highlighter from MAC. It's their Soft and Gentle. It's actually their mineralized skin finish powder and the shade is Soft and Gentle. And then I have these 2 highlighters. These are their Extra Dimension skin finish powder highlighter, and this one is in the shade Beaming Blush and this one is Whisper of Guilt. ये वाला मैंने Nykaa से purchase किया था. Actually I placed one order on Nykaa when I got this foundation. So I got this as free. और ये जो दोनों हैं ये मैंने US से परचेज किए थे. So what should we use? Again I'm confused. Let me swatch actually all 3 and then we'll decide कि कौन सा यूज़ करना है. So by the way, this one, the skin finish one, mineralized skin finish powder, this is how it looks like. This is the outer packaging it comes into and you can see all the details here. इसके अंदर भी दूसरे शेड्स भी अवेलेबल है आई गेस. So this highlighter, the mineralized skin finish highlighter, retails for 3100 and you get 10 gram of product. There are 5 shades available in this highlighter, but I got the shade Soft and Gentle, which is the most famous one. So this is how this highlighter looks from inside. Again, the packaging is very similar to the packaging of the blush, and this is how it looks from inside. I don't know, camera is not able to focus. Next are these 2. These are Extra Dimension skin finish highlighter and these 2 as well retails for 3100 and you get 9 gram of product in these. By the way, this is the outer packaging. This is how it looks from inside and this is the shade. So this one is Beaming Blush. This is Whisper of Guilt. So I have swatched all these highlighters together and this is how it looks. So this is the shade Soft and Gentle. This one has a peachy pink undertones to it and it's a metallic shimmer highlighter. It has this metallic shimmer finish, and then in the middle you have the shade Beaming Blush. This is also a warm tone highlighter and this one has pink golden undertones to it and it has very nice metallic finish. And then last we have the shade Whisper of Guilt. Now this one is also a warm tone highlighter and it has peachy golden undertones to it. Again, this one also has a metallic finish. So these are these 3 highlighters. I hope you can see the swatches clearly. So the mineralized skin finish highlighters have a metallic shimmer finish to them. They have little bit of shimmer particles, while the other range, the Extra Dimension range, doesn't contain any shimmer particles. They have metallic finish to them. Now which one should I go for? I think I'll go with this one, Whisper of Guilt. So this is how this highlighter looks at my face. These highlighters are very soft and very buttery. बहुत अच्छी finish है highlighters की, and the pigmentation you can see they have a blinding finish. बहुत ही beautiful लग रहा है face पे. I'll apply the same highlighter on my brow bones as well. Look at that brow bone highlight. It looks really beautiful. So जो highlighter है वो बहुत ही beautiful है. Actually मैंने ये कोई भी highlighter use करके नहीं देखा था. This is the first time I applied these highlighters and I'm really happy with this one. I hope बाकी भी इसी तरह से perform करेंगे. But for now I'm really impressed with both blush and highlighters. Now to set my makeup, I'll be using this product. This is again Fix Plus only, but this one is in the variant Magic Radiance. MAC actually launched this one recently only, and this one also I got from US, but this is available in India as well. This one retails for 2100 and you get 100 ml of product in this. It comes in this kind of packaging. So the Fix Plus is normal setting spray, but this one has this one is Magic Radiance, so it will have little bit of glitters in this one. So this is how the packaging of this Fix Plus looks like. The packaging is very beautiful, I would say. So I'll again shake it a bit and then I'll apply on my whole face. So I'll just spray it. So this is how my face looks like after spraying this setting spray. So this one contains very small, very tiny shimmer particles, glitter particles to it. They are not visible. Like अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा close होके देखेंगे, then only you will be able to figure out कि थोड़े बहुत shimmer particles हैं. They are not very in the face kind of shimmers, and that's why it provides a very nice glow to the face. So you can see my whole face is glowing. So if you are looking for a glowy makeup look, if you want little bit of radiance on your face, then you can use this Fix Plus, this Magic Radiance one. Otherwise the normal one, the one which I used earlier, this can be used for normal purposes. Like this one doesn't contain any kind of shimmer or glitters, while this one contains very small tiny shimmers to it, so that it can give you a radiance, a glow to your face. Now let's complete this look with lipstick, and for that I'm using this lipstick. This is their Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color, and this one I have in the shade Topped with Brandy. This is how this lipstick looks like. So this range of MAC, this Retro Matte Liquid Lipstick range, it's a really beautiful lipstick. It's a liquid lipstick, so it is a little drying on the lips, but still it is very comfortable and very light. And this stays for a really long time, and इसके अंदर काफ़ी सारे beautiful shades available हैं. So this lipstick is actually really good. मेरे पास भी इसके 2-3 shades हैं. Now this lip color what I'm wearing is little dark, so I want to tone it down, and for that I'm using this other lipstick from MAC. It's their bullet lipstick. It's again from their Retro Matte range, but it's their bullet lipstick. And this one is in the shade Meher. ये जो shade है वो काफ़ी famous shade है MAC का. So I'm applying this all over my lips just to tone down this color. So you can also do the same thing. Suppose if you are wearing some lipstick which is of very dark color, you can use some lighter shade to tone it down, and you can fix your lipstick. So now it looks better. And now I want to use a gloss as well on top of it. So I have a gloss from MAC, which is this one. So I'll use this one just in the middle part. So I'll just dot it. And then I'll just blend it using my fingers. When you use lip gloss, your lips look fuller and juicy, and I like that look. So that's why I like to use lip gloss. Just like जैसे मैंने apply किया, थोड़ा सा मिडिल पार्ट में अप्लाई करके जस्ट डैब इट विद योर फिंगर्स एंड this is how it looks. So I'll quickly wear the lashes and come back. So guys, this is the final look and I liked all the products I used in today's video. Blush, highlighter, setting spray, everything was good, and the foundation as well is looking good now. Like earlier it was looking little dry on this area, like it was little bit clinging on my dry patches, but now when I see once it has settled down completely, I see it is actually looking fine only. It is not looking bad or it is not looking dry or anything, and everything applied on that foundation, on top of the foundation very easily. सब कुछ बहुत easily blend हो गया था. I wore this full face of makeup on top of that foundation, so everything applied very nicely. Now I don't see anything very special about the foundation. Like it's not an extraordinary foundation. It's like other foundations only. Like it's not like it's MAC, so it is extraordinary. It is a good foundation. It is very lightweight. It was easy to work with और काफ़ी अच्छी coverage भी दी है foundation ने. और एक और बात, like it has oxidized a little bit. बहुत ज़्यादा oxidize नहीं हुआ है. Like you can see on my face, the shade is still matching me. थोड़ा बहुत oxidize हुआ है, but बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं. तो overall it's good foundation, but it's not like extraordinary or anything. But it's a good foundation. Now blush. बोथ द ब्लशेस जो दोनों शेड्स थे वो काफ़ी अच्छे थे, एंड आई यूज़ द शेड मिल्वा एंड इट इज़ एक्चुअली लुकिंग रियली ब्यूटीफुल. काफ़ी अच्छी पिगमेंटेशन है ब्लशेस की और बहुत ही ईजिली ब्लेंड हो जाते हैं. एंड दीज आर टोटली मैट ब्लशेस. दे डोंट कंटेन एनी काइंड ऑफ sheen or shimmers or anything. They are totally matte blushes. Now the highlighters. तीनों ही highlighter काफ़ी अच्छे हैं. Finally I used Whisper of Guilt on my face and it has given a very nice, blinding look. So you can tone down those highlighters and you can have a blinding look as well. और तीनों ही जो highlighters हैं काफ़ी अच्छे लगे मुझे, but बाकी दोनों मैंने अभी यूज़ नहीं किए हैं. I'll use those in my future videos. So if you want to see those one also in action, stay tuned and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out any videos. Now the setting spray also I really liked. I generally don't like products with a lot of shimmer in them, but this particular setting spray, it contains shimmer particles, but बहुत ही tiny shimmer particles हैं. So if you are looking for a glowy look, अगर आपको overall ना एक थोड़ा सा glowy look चाहिए, like suppose if you are going for some event, some a wedding or some party, and if you want your face to look glowy, so you can set your face, you can set your makeup with this setting spray, the Magic Radiance one, and काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है. and it's not like on the face shimmers, as I already told you. बहुत ज़्यादा अगर आप क्लोज देखेंगे then only you will be able to see those shimmers. तो इस तरह से shimmers इतने ज़्यादा visible नहीं है, but it provides a very nice radiance to your face, a very nice glow to your face. तो उस पर्पज़ के लिए काफ़ी अच्छा है. So yeah, that's all I wanted to talk about all these products, and that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video and it was helpful for you. You enjoyed it. If you did, please like and share this video. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified for my future uploads. Also, please let me know if you're enjoying these kind of videos. Actually, I'm not combining everything, all the new products in one video, because it becomes little overwhelming for you and me as well. मैं ज़्यादा बात नहीं कर पाती हूँ हर प्रोडक्ट के बारे में. So I'm categorizing all these videos brand wise. Like एक ही ब्रांड के अगर पास 3 या 4 प्रोडक्ट्स हैं which I bought recently और मैंने यूज़ नहीं किए हैं, तो मैं उनको उन सारे प्रोडक्ट्स को एक वीडियो में कंबाइन करके आपके साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ, उनके फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन एंड रिव्यू, सो दैट ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा डिटेल में बता पाऊँ आपको इन सब प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में. सो प्लीज़ लेट मी नो इफ़ यू लाइक दीज काइंड ऑफ वीडियोज एंड इफ यू हैव एनी सजेशंस, प्लीज़ ड्रॉप योर सजेशंस इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. सो गाइस, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. आई विल सी यू इन माय नेक्स्ट वन. टिल देन टेक केयर. बाय.